Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Tatlong bagay po kung bakit po kayo naparito, ano po, yung mga kakasalin. Unang-una, dahil sa pag-ibig. Kayo po ay nag-iibigan, kaya po kayo nagdesisyon na magsama bilang asawa.
It's a beautiful life. Take a step.
Mi, kahit medyo matagal ang nangyari nating kasalan, nagkaanak muna tayo bago tayo kinasal. At least natupad natin na kinasal tayo, kahit simple lang. Mahal na mahal kita.
I can feel it in the air. It's like magic. This whole big world is ours. This whole big world is ours. Wander near and far. Oh, this whole big world is ours.
Hi, Daddy. Alam mo naman na love kita, mahal kita. After 10 years, eto na tayo. I love you.
Every moment frozen in time, little pieces of light. Over mountains, through the valleys, all that's in between. As long as you're here with me.
At nawa yung pag-ibigan na yan ay lalo niyong pagigtingin, mas lalo niyong parang palalimin habang tumatagal sa buhay mag-asawa.
Like magic. This whole big world is ours. This whole big world is ours. Wander near and far. Oh, this whole big world is ours. We can go anywhere. Forever caught in the feeling. Follow the road where it's leading. Forever caught in the feeling. We can go anywhere.
Wala na ako ibang masasabi kasi napakabait mong asawa. Lahat na lang, kahit ako'y medyo pasaway, pinagbibigyan mo ako sa lahat ng mga kalokohan ko. Mahal na mahal kita, yun lang.